Hello traders, Mark P. Markets here. My name is Mark Principato and I'm a chartered market technician, and thank you for watching another exclusive technical analysis here for FX Empire. In this video, I'm going to be going over a chart of the pound against the dollar. We had a recent swing trade long in this and we exited for a nice profit, and now we are waiting for a pullback to buy. So in this video, I want to talk about what we're anticipating for the week ahead in terms of inflection points and the type of pattern we're looking for in order to send out a new swing trade long idea. So with that being said, this is for educational purposes only. For investment advice, please consult a licensed investment advisor. Now, let's begin with the trade idea that we sent out a few weeks ago. It was based on that's 22.15 inside bar break right here. And we were out by 26, okay? All three of our targets were reached by 26 even, around there. And we left some pips on the table, like 200 pips. Now, some people may think of that as a mistake or, something like that. But considering we took a small amount of risk and we realized a nice profit relative to the risk that we took, we were very happy because we can't ask for anything more than that. Remember, profit targets are random. Risk is the only thing we can control. So now, what are we looking for the week ahead? This structure right here is clearly bullish. And we have two inflection points. Now, in a bullish environment, obviously you're looking for pullbacks. But a common mistake that people make is they buy the pullback too early because they just buy into any pullback thinking, okay, it's pulled back far enough. But the thing is, there's no setup. There's nothing here that says that buyers are really stepping in. There's nothing clear here, which means this bearish momentum, although not a trend reversal, this bearish momentum can continue lower to this 2280 area inflection point. So the inflection points that we're waiting for, it's either going to be this one here, 2480 area, that area, which we could see we have a little tail on this candle, which means there's some buying activity, but that's not a setup. Okay, so we've reached one location and it's an old resistance area which can now act as a new support. So that is within reason. But if we don't get an inside bar or a pin bar, something to let us know that buyers are stepping in, then this bearish momentum, like I said, can carry this thing to the 2280 area. And that is the key support. So that's the other inflection point where we would anticipate some sort of bullish reversal, either a pin bar or an inside bar, something to let us know that buyers are stepping in. At that point, or at this point, wherever it shows up, maybe it shows up here in between the two levels, but wherever it shows up, we have to be able to clearly define our risk. And at such locations, the potential is within reason to at least test the previous high, if not clearing it, since the trend is generally bullish. So again, we can't predict the outcome, but we can at least weigh our probabilities, and that's all we're looking to do. So that's what we're looking at for the week ahead. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this. If you have, again, any questions, reach out. My name is Mark Principato, Mark P. Markets. Thank you very much for watching.